Hi everyone, I'm Regina at Ace Plus Tax Resolution. Our firm's head is a CPA dealing with the IRS for over 30 years and also a certified tax resolution specialist. We help taxpayers resolve their tax problems with the IRS and states. If you're experiencing any tax problems and questions on how to get away with bank levy, wage garnishment, passport problems, refinancing or selling your house under the tax liens, etc., email us at james@aceplustaxresolution.com. Do you owe back taxes to the IRS or state and can't pay back? You may be able to qualify for the currently not collectible status. We'll discuss how to qualify for this status and the benefits of being placed in this status. Before we jump into this important information, please make sure to share this video with someone you know and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any valuable information or updates. A currently not collectible status or significant hardship case is for individual or business taxpayers who aren't able to pay off the back taxes to the IRS. If you have little to no income and meet a few other qualifications, you can declare your back taxes as currently not collectible and suspend IRS collection activities. The IRS can deem a tax debt as uncollectible when the taxpayer submits enough financial documentation to show that he or she will not have anything left over to make payments to the IRS after paying their monthly allowed living expenses from all income sources. But it's not easy to prove that you qualify. You must prove that you have no assets, no job, or very little income, and you survive mostly through welfare or the help of others. The taxpayer must submit substantial documentation to support the designation of a currently not collectible status. If the taxpayer is an operating business, the documentation required will be even more extensive. If the information documenting a taxpayer's assets and liabilities is not sufficiently detailed, the request for currently not collectible status will likely be denied. These types of documents are meant to prove that the requesting taxpayers will endure financial hardships if required to make monthly payments to the IRS for the back taxes. Since all collection activities will immediately stop when CNC status is granted, taxpayers must provide proof that they do not have the ability to repay their debts. Typically, the government will stop coming after your assets by placing liens or levies and will not garnish your wages for 12 months or more. CNC status is considered to be temporary. However, this does not ensure that the IRS or state will not come after you forever. Penalties and interest can still grow while you're in the CNC status. When a taxpayer files a new tax return after being placed in the status, the IRS will examine the return to determine whether the taxpayer has recovered enough to start repaying the tax liability. The IRS can ask for additional information from the taxpayer to determine whether the taxpayer's financial situation has improved enough to begin making payments. If the IRS determines that the debt remains uncollectible, the CNC status will be continued over to the next tax period. Now, there are dangers of self-preparing the application. If you attempt and fail to prove a CNC status, the IRS or state will demand that you make payments in a monthly payment plan or satisfy the back taxes through your assets. Yet, a forbearance might be granted. The IRS might grant a reasonable forbearance to a taxpayer in which it agrees not to take certain types of collection actions if the taxpayer will be unable to afford critical living expenses after paying his or her tax debt. The taxpayer's individual circumstances will be considered, including his or her health or age. As we mentioned, a CNC status will not last a lifetime. The IRS can still reopen your case at any time, especially if you owe additional taxes, sell assets, or have increase in your income. In some cases, an offering compromise might be a better option. With a comprehensive review of your financial situation, Ace Plus Tax Resolution can help you determine whether or not you're eligible for CNC, and it will help you qualify for this status. We have many successful closed cases of CNC status. Contact us today to see your options. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.
Our certified tax resolution specialist here at Ace Plus Tax Resolution has more than 30 years of experience in dealing with the IRS. Our firm helps both individuals and business taxpayers resolve their tax problems with the IRS and state through custom fit solutions. If you have any tax problems, please contact us. Our information is down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to our channel so you don't miss any of our timely videos with valuable information and advice.